Namaste. This is Hani Bachani and you're watching channel Being Harmony, a harmonious way of living life. So we are on day 12 of September from the book called Trust Life by Louise Hay. And thank you everyone, those who are posting affirmation in the comment box, and those who are watching and not posting, I would request you to put up in the comment box what do you feel about this daily messages, and which affirmation are you picking up for the day. And we are working on creating a beautiful world, and imagine this book is written some decades ago, and during this September we are talking about loving this world, and world is really going under a lot of chaos and structuring and recreating itself, as we all know. And I think even today's message will be about what, I'm not sure, let us see. So we are on September 12th, and let us see how do we begin with it. I'm here to love the world. Wow. So again, to the world, I'm here to love the world, and I'm sure it would be about loving yourself and then loving the world. I totally get to Louise's point of view. Well, let me read and let's see what is there ahead. We are here to be loving mirror to the world. Louise says, the more we love ourselves, the less we project our pain onto the world. This is beautiful. You know, it's always said a hurt person can only hurt. A loving person cannot hurt others. It will cause no harm. So whatever harm we see, like how people are so cruel, so much injustice done, it's because they don't have love for themselves. They have hardened their hearts. So let's melt our hearts into love for ourselves. And we can do this often. So right now you'll say in the comment box, I love myself. I promise to love myself till eternity. Not only this lifetime, till eternity, whenever you are there, whichever planet or realm you're there. Promise yourself, I love myself till eternity. Wow. Okay. So when we stop judging ourselves, we naturally judge others less. So your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. So if you are okay with your mistakes, you're okay with whatever wrong, so-called wrong, as there is just right or wrong concept. There's nothing absolute right or absolute wrong. So if we stop judging ourselves, naturally we start judging people less. We are more accommodating, you're more accepting. And I have seen it in my own life, and you can try it and you will say, yes, honey, it is true. Okay, so when we stop attacking ourselves, we don't attack others. When we stop rejecting ourselves, we stop accusing others of hurting us. When we start loving ourselves more, we become happier, less defended, and more open. As we love ourselves, we naturally love others more. Self-love is the greatest gift because what you give yourself is experienced by others, says Louise. So if you love yourself, it is experienced by others. Your aura becomes more brighter. You shine brighter. You are more lovable to the other also, because you're sending a lot of love to yourself. Love is always shared. It's a gift, like true happiness and success. It ends up benefiting you and others. When I think about love, I like to visualize myself standing in a circle of light, says Louise. This circle represents love, and I see myself surrounded by love. Once I feel this love in my heart and in my body, I see the circle expanding to fill the room, and then every square inch of my home, and then the neighborhood, and then the whole city, and then the whole country, and then the whole planet, and eventually the whole universe. That's how love is to me. That's how love works. So it starts from your heart, expands to the entire universe. So we cannot love others unless we love ourselves. So let's begin today by loving ourselves a little more. So you can question yourself, how can I love you more? And let the answer come from within and say, okay, I'm willing to love you more today, and do it. And you will love yourself more, and that will be vibrated outside, and the world will be a beautiful place. Do share, like, and comment in the comment box, and tell me how do you feel it. It is important for me to know what is happening with you all. Are you getting stuck, or are you having any questions? No, this doesn't work. It's only in the book, not in real life. Or do you think, yes, self-love has a power. So let me know what do you think about it, and spread this beautiful work with your friends and family. So see you tomorrow, same time. So namaste, this is Hani with Shani, and I love you. God bless you. Thank you.